Hi everyone! Welcome to episode 1 of the Pro Series, presented by Metropolitan Floors. Today we're going to talk about the do's and don'ts of cleaning engineered, vinyl, and laminate floors so they can stay looking this good for years to come. Use these tips for your own floors or pass them on to clients. Every new floor starts out beautiful. Regular sweeping or vacuuming that keeps it free of dust, grit, and other abrasive debris can help keep it that way. But as time goes by, everyday dirt and topical buildup can make them lose their luster. And you might be surprised by some of the things that can contribute. It's vitally important you or your clients clean floors regularly and properly. A lot of people are tempted to use products they've already got under their sink. But you really want to avoid household cleaners, oils, soaps, waxes, or any abrasive materials on the floor. And never use steam cleaners, as this will void the warranty. Instead, use a microfiber cloth or mop and our Pro Series Therapy Cleaner. It's specially formulated to clean without damaging your floor. Mops and bottles of Therapy Cleaner are available through our authorized dealers or online at metrofloors.com. Just mix 1 part concentrate to 16 parts water. To avoid topical buildup, spray Therapy Cleaner directly onto the microfiber mop or cloth, not onto the floor. Use Therapy Cleaner anytime regular maintenance is required. For spot cleaning or big spills, blot up as much of the mess as possible. Then, spray the cleaner onto a cloth and use as much leverage as you can to scrub. Mike? Forget something? Once you've cleaned the floors, throw the mop head or cloth into the laundry so it's ready when you need it next. Don't use dryer sheets or fabric softener when washing anything microfiber. If you do, you'll see both streaks and buildup on your floors. There's nothing like a newly installed floor, and these simple tips can keep it looking like new for years to come. Until next time, thanks for watching and happy installing.